Welcome back to Yes Channel, Yes versus Freelance. As the title suggests, let's discuss the spiciest food in the world. This food comes from one of the first places inhabited by humans after migration from Africa. Humans arrived here via the coast along the Arabian Peninsula and the Persian Gulf. What is that? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's right. India. With the second largest population after China, namely more than 1 billion people, and is the seventh largest country by geographic area. With diverse cultures and cultural people, it certainly creates a variety of culinary tastes. But what is most interesting according to our YouTube team is the spiciest food based on ghost cream. Ghost cream is a trusted hot sauce site. We also made this video to appreciate the hard work of friends at ghostcream.com. What's in number 1? That's the spiciest, the sorting hot. Our nickname is the dragon's breath of the temple, the champion, namely Goan Vindaloo, India. Made with ghost pepper, coconut, vinegar, and chili pepper. We also recommend buying Vindaloo curry hot sauce at Ghost Cream. Let's continue. A typical Indian curry dish originating from Goa, the area around Konkan, as well as various other areas in India. This dish also has many variations. However, this dish is known throughout the world as a nation British fusion dish on various Indian restaurant menus or restaurants that serve curry. This dish is often known as a spicy dish, although this dish is not always the spiciest dish. But be careful, reported by telemed.ihc.it. First, after consuming excessive spicy food, not a few people feel heartburn in their stomach. This is because spicy food can speed up movement in the intestines, making it easier for diarrhea to occur. Irritation effects can be felt immediately if spicy food reaches the large intestine. The body will send more water to the intestines so the feces can pass more easily from the large intestine. Second, spicy food can trigger stomach acid to rise in Alhos sufferers. This condition is caused because when someone consumes too much chili, it can irritate the stomach walls. It triggers stomach acid to rise more quickly. Third, it is feared that acid reflux will occur, which is a condition where there is backflow from the stomach to the esophagus. Acid reflux can cause someone who experiences it to feel hot like burning in the esophagus. Not only that, acid reflux can trigger GERD or gastroesophageal disease, esophagitis or sores in the esophagus, and typical syndrome. Fourth, the surface of the stomach can become more susceptible to injury or brittle if you eat spicy food too often. So consuming spicy food too often can trigger acute ulcers or gastritis due to inflammation of the stomach lining. Fifth, eating food that is too spicy or consuming spicy food in large quantities can have an impact on the tongue, namely reducing the level of sensitivity of the tongue and even eliminating the sensitivity of the tongue in tasting tastes. This condition is quite dangerous because the tongue is no longer able to work optimally in determining portion or the level of spicy food that suits the body's ability. 6. Eating spicy food can cause insomnia. This is because spicy food is consumed at night, especially before bed can cause the stomach to feel bloated and even have pain or heartburn. This condition can make you feel uncomfortable and make it difficult to sleep unless you get hit in the head and sleep. but, if you were Superman, what would be wrong? Then let's move on to how to make it. How to make Indian Goan Vindaloo. We learn directly from the blogger and recipe expert behind this affair named Neha. Follow her. Vindaloo is a spicy Indian curry from Goa influenced by Portuguese cuisine. When the Portuguese explorers came to India, they made a dish, Carne de Vinha de Alhos, made of meat cooked with wine and garlic. Goans modified the dish by adding Indian spices and cooking in it vinegar instead of wine. The fiery, red, and spicy Vindaloo curry thus came into existence. Vindaloo sauce is hot, spicy, savory, lightly sweet, and tangy. It is gluten-free and dairy-free. This curry is very popular worldwide, and you will find that most Indian restaurants have it on their menu. It was originally made using pork, but so many versions with chicken, beef, lamb, mutton, fish, chickpeas, paneer, and tofu. Various spices are used to make a vindaloo curry paste. You will need Kashmiri whole dry red chilies, whole coriander seeds, cumin seeds, green cardamoms, hairy elaichi, black peppercorns, kali milk, clover, long, cinnamon, dalchini, and brown mustard seeds. You will also need fresh ginger, garlic, white vinegar, and tamarind paste. Vinegar and tamarind add a nice tangy flavor to this paste, which makes it different from other chicken curries. Traditionally, tonic vinegar was used to make vindaloo curry. But if you don't have access to it, use regular white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or wine vinegar for the tanginess. Some people use Fanny fermented toddy vinegar in their recipe. Recipe for the best tasting curry: use bone-in skinless chicken pieces. Bones add a lot of flavors to the chicken vanilla curry, making it irresistible. But if you are not a fan of bone-in chicken, you can use boneless chicken breast or chicken thigh too. Try the same recipe with mutton, fish, shrimp, or pork for other non-veg versions. Just keep in mind that the cooking time will differ a bit for each of them. You can even make a vegetarian version with potatoes, tofu, cauliflower, or cottage cheese. Then add canned tomato puree as it is more concentrated in taste than homemade puree. You can use tomato paste in place of tomato puree. Just reduce the quantity a little as it is more intense in taste. Use any cooking oil to make the vindaloo curry. You will also need a few more basic ingredients such as onions, turmeric powder, salt, and granulated sugar. You can skip sugar, but it adds a little sweetness and balance the flavors well. You can replace granulated white sugar with brown sugar, coconut sugar, or jaggery. This curry is cook in water, but to enhance the taste further, replace the water with chicken broth, chicken stock. After returning from the market shopping for ingredients, let's share 10 till 12 whole dry Kashmiri red chilies, stalks removed, 2 tablespoons whole coriander seeds, 3 till 4 cloves, 1 inch piece of cinnamon stick, 2 till 3 whole green cardamoms, 8 till 10 whole black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon brown mustard seeds. After that, let's create magic. 1. Dry roast on medium heat until fragrant and slightly brown. 3 till 4 minutes. Keep stirring continuously while roasting. Once the spices are roasted, remove the skillet from the heat and let the spices cool down completely. 2. Add the roasted spices to a high-speed blender, along with a 1-inch piece of ginger, chopped. Add till 10 cloves of garlic, peeled, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 till half tablespoon tamarind paste, half cup of water, and blend to make a smooth paste. 3. Scrape the sides of the blender a few times while making the paste. Vindaloo masala paste is ready. Set it aside. 4. Heat 6 tablespoons cooking oil in a large pot over a medium-high heat. 5. Make chicken vindaloo curry. Heat 6 tablespoons cooking oil in a large pot over a medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add 2 cups of chopped onions and cook until golden brown, 10 till 12 minutes, stirring frequently. 6. Add 2 or 1 kilogram bones in skinless rinsed chicken pieces, cut into 1.5-inch chunks, to the pot and cook on high heat for 3 till 4 minutes. Stir frequently while cooking. 7. Add 1 cup of canned tomato puree or half cup tomato paste and the vindaloo masala paste we made earlier to the pot and mix well. 8. Now add 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup water to the pot and stir gently. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid and cook for 45 and 50 minutes until the chicken is cooked well and the oil separates. And then on the top of the pan, stir a few times while cooking. Add half teaspoon sugar and cook for another minute. Guess what? Chicken vindaloo is ready to be served. Congratulations! Now you are an awesome spiciest food maker. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes channel for your yes life.